All right, guys, I finally got to get a start over.
Good.
Get this out. You going? Jumping in the old Dodge this morning. Things running smooth, but my tire's a little low. All right, guys, I finally got a part on the car that I've been holding on to for 5 years, and I've really been wanting to put on the car. And it came in this bag right here. Check it out. Bam! That there sticker. So this is the original type sticker. It obviously would have said 289 Hypo on either the Shelby's or the Hypo, the K-Code cars. So I wanted a sticker that kind of matched that, but since this is a 302, I went with the 302 Hypo. So I don't know, I think it ties it in together and adds a little more originality, classicness to it. So it's just kind of fun. All right, guys. I show you the grommet here, but in the process of firing it up and running it again, it's now bowled over yet again. And it was working fine. Christopher and I drove it the other day and everything was working awesome. So I think this new thermostat we got is already sticking. So it was sticking. We had so much problems with it over and over again. It finally did good. Christopher and I drove it and now fired it up again first time today, and it seems like it's stuck again. It didn't open and the thing just got hot and bowled over. So, guess I'll be taking it all back apart and taking this thermostat back to parts store and putting my old one that was fine back in here. But anyways, if you have these valve covers, you've got to have either 2 of those or a special grommet to go in here. And this is the grommet. So 6573 PCV grommet with notches. This is from Scott Drake. That's your part number there. And this actually fits down in that hole, and you can pop your PCV down in there. And this one was from KentuckyMustang.com. All right, so there's the grommet, and it actually fit pretty nice. It snapped down in there real good and just twisted around. So that kind of finishes up the look. So that's kind of done. Still got a nice mess here. And as we were sitting here working on that, this thermostat finally opened. This thing's super hot now. And he was sort of pushing everything through because it finally decided to open. So it's holding way too long. So we've definitely got to take it back. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this top radiator hose too when we take it back apart this time and see if we can get that done. Okay, got the hose off. And it had pumped out so much water that there's literally no water in there. I didn't have to drain anymore. So now I'm about to take off this thermostat housing and go get another new hose and a new thermostat, and or use the one we got, the old one that was in here. So we can get her going again. All right, guys, I think we finally got it worked out. Just ran a few times now. Ended up doing some silicone black RTV on the gasket and getting it together. That made it quit leaking finally in the end. And put the 160 that was originally in here back in here. And put a new hose on it. And everything seems to be working right. Everything's getting nice and hot now. Water's flowing. And all of that seems right. Engine looks real good. I think we pretty much got this part done. Now we just got to do the black around through here, and then we're going to work on these seats. And you can see in the gauge in here, gauge looks perfect. There it is, right there in the middle pretty much. That sounds good. Everything seems to be doing right. I'm glad of that. My little electric fan up here is kicking on its own right now. It's down there running. All that seems good. So. Yeah, I think that'll work. Right, guys, it's been a few days. We finally got some pretty weather, and I want to run over here and try to drive this thing and run a little bit more now that got it nice and pretty out here. So seems to be doing pretty good. Need to still get this painted in there like that, get those new seats put in, but it's getting there. So now we're going to take it down the road and see how it does. All right, guys, so my dad and I were playing with it, and we worked on the time a little bit, adjusted the carburetor, and this thing will scoot now. Crazy. Running way faster than it was. Like, this is the strongest I've ever felt this thing now. Like, it feels amazing. So, I had it down the road a minute ago, and Daddy went inside to drive by myself right now, and I had it running down the road. It just started roasting. One little wonder. It's revving up super quick now, just matting it. Running pretty dang smooth, guys. Might need a little bit more adjusting here and there, but it feels like it's got a ton more power. And who knows where it was at before. We're going from a 4-barrel to a 2-barrel back into the engine. Going from 4 to 4 is obviously going to be way better, but obviously our timing, I don't think it was ever right. Now it runs so smooth that it hardly makes much noise at all. Like, it's super quiet. So that's kind of sad. But, you know, engines that are running perfectly smooth. Should not make a lot of, you know, camming sounds, but just revs up super quick now. Pretty amazing. It's running really good. This intake was the way to go, and I think I've got most of the issues worked out. I appreciate y'all guys watching. Please like and subscribe and share the videos, and hopefully you enjoy what we're doing, having a good time, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you for following along with me. Thanks, guys.